Hi guys and welcome to Priyanka's tutoring classes. Today we'll continue with the module 1 and we are going to continue with the triple integration. We will solve more problems on the same topic. So this is the second problem. First problem I have solved in the previous video. So the question is evaluate. This is your problem. First we are going to do is we are going to substitute it to I. Now as I told you, how you are going to find that which we are going to integrate first by this. If your y is written first, then we are going to integrate y. If x is written, then x, and if z, then z. So what if this is not given? Then how are we going to solve it? See here, first we have three terms. In these three terms, here x and z is present. If that terms are present, then we are not going to put x in x or z in z. So it is obviously y. So first we are going to integrate for y. Because here y is not present, so it is y. Now second, z is present. But see, z is present, x and y is not there. But y is already done, so this is second. And whichever remains is the third. So this is the easy way to understand which to integrate first. So starting with integration of y term, it's necessary or not, it depends on you if you want to write I in every step or not. Now I'll put a bracket. First integrating x with y, if y is not there then we add the term y. Y, it becomes y square by 2. After integrating and z becomes zy. The limits are x minus z and x plus z dx dz. Let's apply the y term. Minus 1 and 0%. The limits is x minus z, x plus z, plus 1 by 2 will be outside, y square, x minus z, x plus z, plus z. So this is how we are going to separate the y terms. Now we will substitute upper limit minus the lower limit. What it becomes? X plus z minus of bracket x minus z. Complete the bracket. Plus 1 by 2 x plus z the whole square minus x minus z the whole square plus z x plus z minus x minus z. What I have done, I have just substituted the upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, and upper limit minus lower limit. Now we'll substitute the given values into this. What answers we got by solving this individually, we'll put them here. X will stay as it is. The value for this was 2z plus 1 by 2. The value for this was 4xz plus z will be outside as it is. The value for this was 2z dx dz. So these are the values we found after substituting. Now we will integrate the x terms. Here while integrating you will keep 2z outside and and after integrating x you get x square by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here we get 4z by 2 outside. Here it is x square by 2 plus 2z square and x. Now we'll separate the x terms and we will keep the remaining things outside. Here we have 2z by 2 x square with a limit of 0 to z plus 4z divided by 2 into 2, 4 x square with the limits of 0 to z plus 2z square outside x with the limit of 0 to z. So here we will substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Then we get 2 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled here. Z is outside. X square is z square minus 0 plus z is outside. Z square minus 0 plus 2z square is outside. Z minus 0. So this is what we get after substituting the upper limit and the lower limit. So after we substitute this, we get z cube plus z cube plus 2z cube. So this is what we get after integrating the x term. Now we will integrate the z term. So before integrating the z term, see, these are all z cube. So we can sum this into 4z cube dz. So let's integrate this now. So what we have got minus 1 1 4 z cube dx. So we will integrate the z cube. After integrating it becomes z4 divided by 4 minus 1 to 1. We will keep only the z term separate, then it becomes 4 by 4 z raised to 4 minus 1 by 1. 4 it gets cancelled. We are left with z raised to 4 with the limits of minus 1 to 1. Let's substitute the limits. We have 1 raised to 4 minus of minus 1 raised to 4. So 1 raised to 4 is 1 itself and minus 1 raised to 4 also is 1 itself. So at the end you get your answer as 0. So I hope this problem is clear. I have explained each step clearly, and the final answer what you got is 0. If you have any doubt regarding any step, please put them into the comment section and make sure to reply. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you.